Hello. Yo, good evening. Please, how are you doing? Oh, okay, we thank God. So before you can use this smartwatch to make calls or play music, you have to pair it to your phone first. Yeah, so first of all, just scan this code to download the app from either Play Store or App Store. Of course, depending on the phone that you're using, and the app is RD Fit. I think I have the app already, so I can open it right away. Yes, I have the app already, so I just have to open it and allow access to Bluetooth. Just open your Bluetooth, turn it on. Sorry. So go to settings. Under settings, you see BT settings here. Just click on BT settings and you can see BT settings, which is Bluetooth settings. The power is off. You have to turn it on. Yes, now the power is on, so your phone can detect it. And of course, here is the watch ID, which is what says. Just click on that to pair it. Now you can see it is successfully connected. So you can use it to make calls. And you can hear the song from the smartwatch directly. Chop on my money, yeah. Thank God for my mommy, yeah. As of the days I know hungry, yeah. Even if life makes some way, mama they pray for me, yeah. And your messages keeps on coming. Any message that you receive, whether it's an IG message, a WhatsApp message, any message that you receive, email. Thank God for my life, as I pray for my daily manner. We know the fear everywhere. So for now, I think that is all. Okay, let's try and customize the watch. Alright, so just open the app and click on search device. So RD Fit will search for any Bluetooth device around you. Here is the device, so just click on that and you can see what says connected, pair, allow notifications. Yes, so now we are done connecting it. So you can see that the time on the device, which is the watch, is exactly the same as the one being displayed on our phone. It's 9:57 here, and the time on the phone is also 9:57, Saturday, which is 30th of October, right? So once you are done, you can receive messages, and as you can see, any WhatsApp message that I receive here will just appear on the device. You can read it directly from the watch. By then you can't reply it from here. You can't reply it directly from the watch, but then you can view it, you can read it. If it is picture, you can view it on the smartwatch. So these are the downloadable watch dials that I was referring to. You can download any of these watch dials to replace the pre-installed ones in case you want it. Alright, for now we want to customize it with our own picture, so we have to select the picture that you want to use. Alright, so just click on select picture. When you click on that, it will prompt you to allow the app to access your photos or the pictures on your phone. So when you do that, okay, so let's select one of these pictures from here. I'm done selecting it, so just click on it to add it and crop it nicely. Okay, let me use this path. Yes, let me use this part and click on done, and as you can see, the image is now uploaded on the app. So you just have to click on this icon here, or this navigation bar here, for it to be uploaded on the smartwatch. By then, in case you want to customize the date on how the date should appear on the watch dial, you can do that by using this. You can see upper right, upper left, lower right, lower left, right, depending on where you want it to appear. So I've selected upper left, yes, which is this side. All right, now let's click here, and as I said, it will take some time for it to be uploaded on the smartwatch. And the messages keeps on coming. Of course, the music is also on. Yes, and we are done. And you can see the image on the smartwatch. And as I said, you can select any picture that you want. This is our WhatsApp link.